Hi boys and girls, welcome to day 2 of our online learning. So today we are going to read the story Bones. And we have a picture here. And before we even get started, let's predict what we think the story is about by looking at the picture. I'm going to give you a minute to quickly try to take a guess what you think this story is going to be about. Okay, it looks like she has a sling with her arm in it, and her arm might be in a cast. To me, I would predict that she has a broken arm. Let's get started reading. Yolanda loved playing on the monkey bars at recess. One day as she was turning a flip, she fell off. "Ow! My arm hurts!" she cried. Yolanda's father came and took her to the hospital. I'm going to pause there. Boys and girls, have any of you broken an arm or another body part? Maybe a leg or a finger, or maybe your nose even. When I was in first grade, I broke my arm from going on the monkey bars as well, so I can relate to Yolanda. Let's keep reading to see what happens. "Yolanda, your arm is broken," the doctor said. He showed her an x-ray of her arm. Yolanda could see the broken bone. The doctor put a cast on her arm. "Your arm will get better," he said. "The bone will grow back together." Yolanda took the x-ray to school the next day. She showed it and her cast to the class. She told them what the doctor said about her arm. Her teacher, Mrs. Davis, told the class more about bones. "All of you have many bones. These bones make your skeleton. If you didn't have a skeleton, you would be as saggy as a beanbag. The bones in your skeleton help you move." The recess bell rang. Everyone went out to play. After recess, Mrs. Davis showed the class a picture of a skeleton. Bones can't bend, so a skeleton has joints. Joints are like the hinges on a door. Joints let your ankles and knees and wrists and elbows bend. You have joints in your jaw, hips, and shoulders too. So let's take a look. See how my wrist is bending? That's from a joint. Okay, let's keep reading. Mrs. Davis told the class many things about their skeletons. She said that good food and exercise help bones grow and stay strong. Then it was time for lunch. "I'm going to eat my vegetables and drink my milk," said Yolanda. "I want to keep my bones strong." Turn the page. All right, that is the end of our story. So 2 things if we go back and think about. So she broke her arm. And then the class learned about bones because of that. And then at the end, what did that teacher tell her would help keep her bones nice and strong? Okay, let's think about that before we answer her questions. Let's get started on this first page. Questions about bones. Our first question: how did Yolanda hurt her arm? Question number 2: how did the doctor know Yolanda's arm was broken? Question 3: what did the doctor put on Yolanda's arm? Question 4: what did Yolanda share with the class? Question 5: how can you keep your skeleton strong? Remember, we read this one at the end, so if you can't remember, go back and reread. Question 6: why do you think Yolanda fell off the monkey bars? That one's not in the story, but you could take a guess about what happened. And question 7: how could Yolanda be safer when she plays on the monkey bars? Safer, just like our work from yesterday, it has that ER ending, means more safe. So how could Yolanda be more safe when she plays on the monkey bars? What do you think she could do? Down at the bottom it says, what about you? Circle the answers. The first one says, did you ever fall off the monkey bars? Yes or no? If it were me, I would circle yes, because like I said at the beginning, I have fallen off the monkey bars. Did you ever have an x-ray? Yes or no? An x-ray is like a picture that is taken of the bone, and it shows you where that break is. I have also gotten an x-ray. And the last one, did you ever break a bone? Yes or no? I would also circle yes. So if this was about me, I would have 3 yeses. Yours may look different because you may not have fallen off the monkey bars or ever had a broken bone. Okay, stay tuned for the next video for the next 2 pages.